Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I want to do a folio share with you guys. It's my Serenity Hodgepodge folio album. So welcome. I do have a tutorial that you can purchase so you can learn how to make this album. I will put the link down below for you. Okay. All right. This is a huge folio, and it's jammed packed. Okay. I did use the Serenity Collection from 49th and Market. I did use Tyvek and cardstock for the spine, and I found out that you can stamp your Tyvek as well. I was messing around. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, wouldn't that be lovely if we could stamp that instead of just being plain? So look at that. And I just used Hero Arts. It can't be distress ink. It has to be your dye ink. But yeah, picked out a stamp set. And here's the other side. But ain't that neat? Instead of just being the plain blue, I thought it turned out fabulous. So, yep, there's going to be more of that. And there's the back. And the ribbon runs underneath there. I decorated it and forgot my ribbon because it does need ribbon because it's gotten pretty chunky. But that's okay. That is perfectly okay. So you open it up. And you put two pictures there. And on the inside, I did put the 49th and Market washi tape on the spine as well. And it opens up like this. And again, I've done the washi tape here. And then we have our journal book over here. And then our folio aspect over here. Okay, so I got lots to show you. All right. So I did use some washi tape on some of these flips. And in this album, we used 28-pound paper. And I used Distress inks. And I used, I think, Stormy Skies. Yeah. And I distressed all the photo mats in this album. Just gives it a different look. Originally, I was calling this the junk journal, but it's really not a junk journal. And that's why I'm calling it the Hodgepodge, because I used scrapbook paper and I used 28-pound copy paper and I used all the embellishments. And you'll see more of it, what I'm talking about when we get to this. This part over here is just a folio. But oh my gosh, it turned out beautiful. Here we have just a little tuck spot. And I used one of my favorite edge punches. It's the EK Success one. That's what done this right down here. And I done this all around, even on the cover as well. Just a really nice border punch. Then this flips. Then we have a pocket here. You have a pocket here. And I just used the elements from the collection. And then, just layered them up. Again, there's a border punch for, just a little bit of a different look. I left these open here so you could slide your photographs underneath there. And then that opens. Then we have a pocket here. Very cute. And then this is one of the photo frames from the collection. Then we have a pocket here, and I just done a little booklet. So it just has a... And then I just decorated the back side up. inked it all up with the Tim Holtz Distress ink, and then just glued 3 sides. And that just fits inside that pocket. But very cute paper, very cute. Again, I distressed the photo mats, used washi tape from the collection. Oh, this was a lot of fun to decorate. A lot of fun. Then you have, oh, did I glue? Oh, no, I was pulling on that one as well. So then you have a little pocket here, and I stamped it, and then a piece from the collection, and then distressed my photo mat, and then I just free-handed around my photo mat. But what a cute way of, dressing up the back side of something like that. Use my stamps. And that this stamp set is the stamp set that goes with the... No, this wasn't. This stamp set was Heidi Swap. So then you have a pocket here. Okay. Yeah, that's the back side. And again, I just done the same thing here. And like here, let me get a photograph to show you. So even though I stamped on the photo mat, when you put your picture here, you're going to have a, a border, but you still have some of the stamp peeking out. And I love that. Very cute. Very cute. And that just goes inside there. Oh, it's so much fun layering this all up. And then again, here is a pocket, and I didn't decorate any of that. But you do have a pocket here. And then you have a little tuck space here. And then the very back, we have a pocket here. And I just put 2 of these pieces from the collection together and formed just a little booklet. And again, I've done some stamping in my photo mats, but very cute. So that's the folio part of the album, okay? Very cute. Oops. Okay, here is the Hodgepodge Journal. Okay, this is the Hodgepodge Journal. And like I said, the reason I'm calling it a Hodgepodge Journal is because I'm not using, I don't feel like calling it a junk journal, because to me it's not a junk journal. I'm not using envelopes and, things from all over. I'm using the paper collection and its embellishments and photo mats, stamping, and inking. Okay, so let's set. So this just sits inside here, and then I embellish that up. Now this Hodgepodge Journal, I did use craft paper roll that I get at Dollar General. You can get at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Michael's, but it's the 40-pound roll. Okay, and that's the label. So I just wanted to show you, but it's like this. And I do have another couple of videos where I do show you how to do this. Okay, but I love it and how this turned out. There's the front, there's the back. I did use washi tape around the spine. I did sew the signature with a pamphlet stitch, and then washi tape. You open this up, so then you have a little tuck spot here. Here's just a journaling where you can journal, and that all just slides right back in here. I don't think yep, I didn't do anything to the back. But this is the craft paper, and it's doubled up, So anytime you stamp or stencil or anything, it will not go through to the other side. So I double it up. So that way we can stamp on it. We can do whatever we want. So I just used washi tape, done some stamping, elements from the collection. Beautiful. And there's, and it's a great way of just using up scraps from a collection as well. Again, I just put my washi tape here, done some freehand stitching, use my stamps. Here I done some eyelets and ran my twine through there and made a little booklet. It just slides underneath here. But very, very cute. And then I done the same thing with this page here. Ran my twine through there just for a added decoration. Then here's the back side. But I loved inking my photo mats like this. I love that. Because when you put your photo on it, you have the blue. Well, my photo's almost a little bit too big. But you have the blue behind it. And I love that. And then here's a little tuck spot. I just glued the 3 sides. Again, just a little journaling. And what I do, I buy these little notebooks, at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, and you can tear them out. I have to have lines to write. I can't write on just plain paper. It'd be crooked. Just a cheap way to have lines and journaling. Again, scraps from the collection. Again, some stamping, ephemera pieces. And this is the center. Then again, I use my border punch going with the whole theme of things. But I just love inking the photo mats. I love it. I will link the video down below where I do a walkthrough of another one of these Hodgepodge journals where I use the craft paper and I use several different colors for photo mats. It's really turning out really cute. Here, I took my, I have a template, and I just set it here, and then I used my, and went around it, and then that way I have the blue on the outside without putting a photo mat. So then I would just cut down my photo and put it inside of here. Okay. Here, I have a little tuck spot, and I just inked that up. Little tuck spot. No, it goes here. I was trying to do it on the photograph. But I do have the tutorial that you can purchase if you would like to learn how to make this. I did do another one. With this here, this turned out so thick because 49th and Market is such thick paper. I did do another one with Simple Stories, the Vintage Winter, and I will be sharing that one with you as well. So then that flips. Here we have another tuck spot. And of course, you could ink these edges if you want to. You can round the corners. You can stencil. Oh, I don't need that photograph in there. You can do just about anything you want to it. But, oh, so cute. So cute. So then that just lives right here. That's why you don't see nothing on the back, because this slides right into this pocket. And that's what keeps it all nice and tidy. That way it doesn't fall out or anything like that. But this is my Serenity Hodgepodge Folio album. So this thing is going to hold a lot of photographs, lots of real estate for photographs, okay? And if you use thick paper, you know, you've got a 2-inch spine here. But with the other one where I use Simple Stories, you've got so much room in it. So if you use thick paper, I think I gave you some more room if you use thick paper, I think. But I will make sure of that I have that inside the tutorial for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully maybe gave you some ideas, okay? If nothing else, maybe I inspired you, to want to create something. Or maybe you would like to create this too. So I will put the link down below where you can purchase this. Like I said, I will be showing you the one. It's this one right here. It's done with the Vintage Winter Woods collection from Simple Stories. So keep an eye out for that one. And I appreciate you hanging out with me. And we will talk to you guys later. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.